All right, I want to thank you all for tuning in the video today. As you can see behind me, we have the 2024 Ram 3500. This truck is 100% back to stock form. Okay, I'm going to be trading this in at Victoria Dodge here in Victoria, Texas. If you're looking for a 3500 with factory air suspension loaded to the gills and fifth wheel prep, I will drop the contact number and a contact for you in the description. This has been a great truck. It's got about 4,500 miles on it as of today, and you know, might have, I don't know, maybe 5 or 5,500 by the time I trade it in. But basically tinted windows, stock, hard loaded, sunroof, everything. It's just a really great truck. I've had zero problems with this truck, so if you're interested in it, Victoria Dodge is really good to deal with here in Victoria. Give those guys a holler. It's probably going to be, I don't know, 3 to 4 weeks, maybe. Still, it's still gonna it still has not shipped my 25, but you know, these ASINs are proven, this high output is proven. So you know, if you really want a truck that's you know, proven and it's been a good vehicle, this is going to be it for you. As you can see, this truck is spotlessly clean, and I've got parts laying all over my shop for my 25, so hopefully that shows up pretty soon. We'll get that done. But anyway, I'll drop the description and contact. Probably going to contact Lloyd at Victoria Dodge if you're interested in this truck. We're going to be trading it in. I want to thank you for watching the video. If it helped you any, please hit that like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next video.